Welcome to today's episode. I am so excited to be able to show you the new creator. We are going to embroider on napkins, and I'm going to show you how easy it is done with the creator. You don't want to miss this episode. Okay, let me go and show you the new panel. There's so much into this panel that I'm just going to hit just a tip of it today. You'll love this. I'm going to go here and touch select design. As you can see, I already have folders in here. I'm going to go to letters. There's all my letters that I'm going to embroider on the napkins. So I'm going to go in at the 2.5, the O, bring it in. Now I want to show you something on the hoop selection here. As you can see, it's crossed out. The design would not fit in the A hoop, and I choose a B hoop. Select, say yes, and it will move right into the spot that it's supposed to be. Now, this is what I like about this. It shows you your thread tree. I'm going to go here and match colors. I changed colors a while ago to what I'm going to embroider on. So color number 2, and I'm going to go next, and it's a blue. So I'm choosing my blue thread and go next. Color number 1, I change, and I'm going to go next, and I choose a teal color. So I'm going to go here, next, and it's done. Now, all my thread matches with my tree, so I don't have to go and check the needle, what color it is. I can just click on it. Save. That is a new feature in this. What you can do too, you can go in and change the background of your hoop too to match your garment that you want to see, and you can audition your colors onto the hoop so you can see if it's going to show up or not. So that's why I like this. Design settings, you can duplicate, flip, rotate. You got your text here, and you have different alphabet in here that you can choose from. You can do it. 24 different alphabets is built into the machine. You got your USB, you can collect to, or you can send it through Wi-Fi. We're going to go back in here, go to my letters, go to the 2.5, select, and send it to the machine. The light on the machine is off, and I'm turning it back on. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to do an embroidery on point on napkins. So I'm going to take my napkin and I'm going to fold it in half and crease it down the middle here. And then I'm going to open it up, and I got a crease down through here. So I'm going to take my ruler and put it on that crease and match up my point down here at the napkin. And I'm using water-soluble pen, and I'm just marking it down through here, just like this. Now, I'm going to use the B hoop, and I'm using water-soluble sticky in the hoop. So, paper side up in the hoop. Make sure your horseshoe is facing the machine. Now I'm going to cut this excess off here with my scissors, and we're going to use this. I'm going to teach you a little trick here. This is paper side up. We're going to score it. Now, I want to show you something here. I could go ahead and put my napkin in this way onto the hoop. Then all this fabric would be behind there, and we don't want that. So we want all this in front of me. And so this way, I'm going to go in and rotate my O where I want it. And you got your center markings here and center markings here. So I'm just going to put this right here and stick it down. And it's right there. Okay, I got blue thread chosen for my letter at the top. For my letter, so I want to make sure I'm using the blue bobbin in the bottom because it's going to show on the back. Because we're not really using stabilizer, we're using water soluble stabilizer, and you want it looks nice on the back and the front. So you also want to match your thread to your front top of your thread. Okay, I already put my L bobbin in. So remember, your pre-wound bobbins has to be an L. Okay, it's locked in. Okay, I'm going to touch design settings. I'm going to go to rotate, and I'm going to do 180 degrees. As you can see, it flipped it upside down. It rotated it. And I'm going to say okay, and it's saving it. Okay, I'm going to trace. As you can see, the laser is not on the line. So I'm going to move that over and it will be perfectly centered. There it is, right there. All I have to do is push start. Okay, the embroidery is finished. I'll click yes, and let's take the hoop out. Okay, we got it out of the hoop here, and I'm going to show you a little trick what I do. I'm going to pull this up just like this. Remember, it's water soluble sticky, and I'm just going to pull this up. I got some real sharp scissors, and I'm going to cut this stabilizer. I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to take my other piece of water soluble sticky and use my good scissors here. Remove the paper. I just patched it, and now I can continue on with my next napkin. Okay, the napkin is done. Remember, this is water-soluble pen on the front, and it's water-soluble sticky back on the back. So when it's washed out, it will come right out of it. This goes in like this. This goes in like this. This goes over like this. Like this. Like this. Now we're ready for fine dining. Now I'm going to show you how to do a casual napkin. You measure it, fold it, and it's 4 inches in here across. So I already did a line down through here at 2 inches in the middle, and we're going to place this in our hoop. Check out the link below for the 10-minute table runner I did in a past episode, and you can make a table runner to match your napkins. Here we are, elegant dining, casual dining. For your centerpiece in your table, you could go with the rope bowl. Check out the link below for the rope bowl that I made. Now, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.